Discover the power of nature with Jamaica Health Box Moringa Capsules, a simple, natural way to enhance your well-being. Packed with nutrients, these capsules are designed to support your overall health and vitality. Moringa oleaera, the miracle tree, boasts remarkable benefits. Firstly, it's a powerful antioxidant, fighting free radicals and protecting your cells. Secondly, studies suggest it can help regulate blood sugar levels. And thirdly, moringa possesses anti-inflammatory properties, potentially easing discomfort and promoting overall wellness. Our moringa capsules contain pure moringa oleaera leaf powder. This incredible ingredient is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, plus essential minerals like calcium and potassium. These nutrients work synergistically to nourish your body from the inside out, supporting immune function and overall vitality. Why choose Jamaica Health Box Moringa? Because we believe in the power of nature, harnessed responsibly. Our moringa is sustainably sourced from Jamaica, ensuring the highest quality and potency. We offer a natural alternative to support your health journey, free from artificial additives and unnecessary fillers. Embrace the Jamaican tradition of herbal wellness. Ready to experience the natural benefits of moringa? Visit JamaicaHealthBox.com today to learn more and order your supply of moringa capsules, or call us at 1-929-314-0106 to speak with a knowledgeable representative. Take control of your health naturally with Jamaica Health Box.